winter months. The days are shorter, it's darker. What could be better than white flowers to brighten the day? With this, gorgeous roses and nerines, it's perfect. Let me show you how it's done. The materials, everything from florabundance.com. Started with some winter cypress. The blue-gray color is so grand and beautiful draping on the tips. Then white Ohara garden roses, a nice pure white and very long lasting. Then a surprise, white nerine lilies, so stately and elegant. Then to add support, some white hydrangea. To support, I filled the vase with water already mixed with flower food and a little bit of floral netting, just to give me a little bit of control. Don't need a lot though, because the hydrangeas themselves end up working like an armature, supporting everything else. I just remove the leaves, leaving some, but most of it off, then giving it a cut and placing it down in deeply, repeating. I would use 3 or 4, depending on the mouth size of your vase. Then come back with the cypress and let it drape outward, using longer stems, breaking it down, taking off anything that's going to be below the water, and then letting it extend beyond the sides of the vase. When the white roses arrived, they were so tight, so fresh. That's the benefit of buying direct from the farm. But I let them open. I left them out and waited a few days. These roses are actually 3 days old, so you can see they're full and luxurious now. When you order your roses, you want to think about when do you need them and buy them early enough, because they come to you so fresh that you're going to have to wait for them to bloom out and be glorious. The final touch, the beautiful nerines. They're so stately and elegant, tall over the top, and they're delicate, so you can make them be a little bit taller, let them dance above. You almost look like snowflakes over the top of the roses, adding just a little delicate touch, the icing on the cake. The recipe, everything from florabundance.com. 10 of the fabulous nerine lilies, 12 white Ohara roses, 3 white hydrangea, and half a bunch of the cypress. You can see it creates a very, very luxurious, long-lasting arrangement. One last tip, especially with white flowers, if you want them to last well, spray it down with crowning glory. Just cover everything. It will seal in the moisture and keep them alive so much longer. You'll find more inspiration and more education on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find some fabulous white flowers, create an arrangement, then take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.